Welcome to day 12. 30 days, 30 opals. Got a nice little opal here. But we're just going to go ahead and jump right into that. Hopefully you can see some of that color already. And there's a bit of epoxy deflecting that color. So as we get into this opal, it should become more and more vibrant as we go. But let's get the shape around this opal or this quartz cap off, and yeah, see what she looks like once it's all done. Here we go. Day 12. Okay, got all the black knocked around the edges off of it, and we're going to go ahead and take the quartz cap down a little bit. We don't need such a high dome on this one either. It's probably enough off the top of it, so we're going to go ahead, move over to the next wheel, and continue shaping, get our profile together, round it over for the most part, get everything done there, and then move to the next. First cut I'm making, we're taking it down to the line of this between the salt and the opal. We're taking it right down pretty darn close to that line, about a 45-degree angle. Then we're going to take another little angle across the top, and then we're going to roll it. And that should dome us up pretty good. Roll from one side to the other. Get out the scratches from the previous wheel best we can. Look at it, I've got just a touch more there. See, there's a little black edge right there. We're going to take that off. And there's a little black edge on this side. That's all from that backing material. The quartz cap is bigger than the opal. So I got 100% of the opal to work with. Alright, I think we're ready to move to the next wheel. And when we get this next wheel, we should be able to see some of those colors again. Get these scratches out, it makes it a little opaque. Then a pretty good idea what this opal will look like after we're done here. We're going to roll from edge to edge and rotate this as we go. Make sure it's domed nice, even. You can start to see some of those broad flashes that are in this piece peeking through as I come up and down. So. Alright, go ahead and pause for a minute. Move to the next wheel. Let's start to polish. Alright, let's move one more wheel. can see that blue there, but it's nice big broad flash on that edge, and then some pinks and greens on the other side. Let's get the last polishing wheel, 3000 grit here, and then we'll hit the cerium oxide and be done. Let's hit the cerium oxide wheel, and once I've got that done, we'll take a look at this opal. Alright, here's finished opal. See if we can get some decent light on it for you. Maybe we'll... There we go. Show you some of those beautiful colors that this has. Anyway, there's day 12's opal. Appreciate you guys watching, and appreciate the support that you give and subscribing to the channels and giving comments and likes to this. Thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 13.